Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my papaya shake. It's a very simple recipe and I did this video a long time ago, but now I'm uploading it. So I hope you guys enjoy watching how I make my papaya shake, and please subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video, and also give my video a thumbs up. So let me just show you my quick papaya shake. Here's my ingredients. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a quick simple recipe on how to make a papaya shake. I just cut up my small papaya here. I have half cup of milk powder and a quarter cup of milk powder. I have some ice with some ice water, another ice with some ice water. I have some essence, half teaspoon essence, a pinch of cinnamon powder, and quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. So I'm gonna put my papaya now into the blender. It's just a quick recipe I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna put my papaya into the blender. Okay, I just put my papaya into the blender. I forgot to show you guys. I also have 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm in a hurry, so that's why. Anyway, so what you're gonna do now is put your 1 cup of ice water with the ice. You're gonna put all of your milk. Gonna put your nutmeg. Just a quick shake. The cinnamon powder, essence, and your sugar. And I'm gonna put some more ice. Alright, so I'm gonna cover it and put it to milkshake and blend it up. Okay, so my papaya shake, it's all ready. This is how it looks, nice and milky and creamy. Yummy. So I'm gonna take out my shake. My mom have this fancy container thing here, and I tried taking out this thing, but it look like it's paste. Anyhow, I'm just gonna throw my shake in it so it can be a nice decorative thing. Oh, you see how the shake look? Yummy. Oh my god, this is gonna taste so good. So my shake is done here, so look at it. Looks so tasty. Tastes really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick papaya shake. Please subscribe to my channel, give my video a thumbs up, and also you can leave a comment down below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and stay blessed. Bye.